In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send invoices in GoHighLevel. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll be able to confidently create and send a professional invoice to your clients, all from inside your GoHighLevel account. First, log into your GoHighLevel account and head over to your Launchpad. This is usually the main dashboard you see when you first sign in. From here, we're going to move into the part of the platform that handles all your billing. On the left-hand side, or in your main navigation, look for the option labeled Payments and click on it. This Payments area is where GoHighLevel keeps invoices, products, and transactions, so it's the central hub for anything related to getting paid. Once you're in Payments, find the Invoices section and click on the button that says New. This tells GoHighLevel that you want to create a new invoice from scratch. When you click New, you'll then see an option that says New Invoice. Click on New Invoice to open up the invoice editor. You'll now be on the main invoice creation screen. At the top, you should see your business information. Click on the little pen icon next to your business details to edit them. Here, make sure your business name, address, contact details, and any branding elements are correct. This information will appear on every invoice your clients receive, so it's worth taking a moment to confirm it's accurate and professional. Next, move to the Customer Info field. Click in that area to choose the customer you're invoicing. You can select an existing contact from your list. If the customer is not already in your system, you may need to add them as a new contact first, so that their name and email are correctly stored for future invoices. Now scroll down to the Invoice Settings section. Here you can adjust the invoice number, the issue date, and the due date. It's a good idea to keep your invoice numbers sequential for bookkeeping and set a clear due date so your client knows exactly when payment is expected. Below that, in the Add Products section, choose the product or service you're invoicing for. You can select existing products or set up a new one with a description, quantity, and price. Double check the totals, including any taxes or discounts. As you fill all this in, look to the right-hand side of the screen. You'll see a live preview of your invoice updating in real time. Use this preview to make sure everything looks correct from your client's point of view. Once you're happy with all the details, go to the bottom or top of the page and click on Send. GoHighLevel will email the invoice to your customer using the contact information you selected. And that's all it takes